Have a good day, madam. I'm Miss Winty Bertiz. I'm 46 years old. I live in Pilia, Rizal, Philippines. I'm a single mom. I have two kids, ages 17 and 12. I have two sisters and three brothers. I'm Catholic. I'm finished 3 years in college, taking up Bachelor of Arts, major in Economics. I have experience before as a domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I served 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 children, aged 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the child, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cooking. To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my best to follow your rules and regulations. I'm trustworthy, honest, long patient, fast learner, and flexible. Thank you so much, madam.